Hey, so Jungle Scout Mexico, can you use Jungle Scout in the Mexico Amazon Marketplace? Does Jungle Scout work there? You're going to discover it in this video, and we're going to see exactly which tools by Jungle Scout work in the Mexico Marketplace. You're also going to find the best discounts for Jungle Scout in the description of this video, and a playlist with over 100 Jungle Scout tutorials that show you how to use different parts of Jungle Scout. Great to meet you, by the way. Wova Evan is my name, seller on Amazon since 2016, and a user of Jungle Scout. So let's check out the page, by the way, in the description as well, this list of supported countries if you want to follow along. As you can see here, the Mexico is one of the countries that Jungle Scout supports. So Amazon Mexico is here. Let's go down to see exactly which tools are available. You can, again, get to the page and to follow along with me. It's in the description. So here you have MX. So that's the third one from the left. And let's see. So home dashboard, generally the dashboard of Jungle Scout works with the Mexico. It's just the dashboard of the tools, nothing too special. Toolbox, we have sales estimator and listing grader. These are good tools because the sales estimator will help you understand the amount of sales a product is making per month. And the listing grader will help you understand if a listing is good or not with some kind of parts that are going to be talked about. So for example, the title, is it good? Is it enough? Too many characters, not too many characters, the bullet points, description, etc. So listing grader can help you understand that. Both are available for Mexico, which is good in my opinion, because for some countries, they're not available. So Mexico is pretty good. So product research, also we have product tracker, product database, opportunity finder, fully available for the Mexico Amazon by Jungle Scout. And category trends are not available, only available for the US. It's like a tool and kind of a addition by Jungle Scout that helps you see different trending products in different categories, but you can generally go to bestsellers on Amazon and see the trending categories on Mexican marketplace. So that should be efficient enough. Of course, with this specific tool, it's great for US, but there's nothing like that for Mexico so far. For suppliers, we only have the supplier tracker for Mexico. Supplier database, again, is only for the US. Supplier database is a tool that's going to help you find best suppliers for your products, and you can spy on suppliers of your competition. So potentially you can get good suppliers. For Mexico, you don't have that, but you have supplier tracker, which is a nice tool to help you organize your kind of suppliers and your orders from the suppliers. Very good tool to not go chaotic with your orders. So supplier tracker is available for Mexico and for all the other marketplaces. Next thing is keywords. So keyword research, basically product research, I guess. Good keywords equal kind of good products, you can say. So keyword scout, lists, listing builder, rank tracker are fully available for Mexico. So Keyword Scout will allow you to find great keywords for your product. Lists tool is going to help you organize those keywords into different lists. And then by using those lists in the listing builder, you'll be able to build a good listing for your Amazon product. And rank tracker will help you track the positions of the keywords. So for example, if you're selling sombrero hats, then you will have the position of the keyword. Let's say the main keyword is sombrero hat. And then you're going to have it on page number 5, position 83, for example. Then you turn on some PPC and you see that it jumps to position number 17 and page number 1. So this way you can track if things are working for you or if something changed. Okay, so that's a good tool as well. Next one is marketing. So review automation is available for Mexico. That's a tool that helps you automate review requests from your sales. So Jungle Scout is going to automatically request reviews on your behalf from Amazon automatically. Pretty cool tool, in my opinion. Works for Mexican marketplace and Mexico. Next part is keywords, but it's actually not keywords. It's actually like profits, I would call it, because you have your profit overview, P&L statement, and other transactions. I think it's just a mistake, and hopefully we're going to fix it soon. But a profit overview is basically a tool that helps you understand your profitability, profit and loss on Amazon. So it connects to your Seller Central. You add some data as well, like prices of the products and stuff like that. And then you can see if you're actually profiting or not, what kind of money you're actually making, because only using the Amazon Seller Central data, it's not sufficient enough. You need to see if you're actually profiting. So this will really help you. So it does work with Mexico. Advertising analytics is a tool for PPC on Amazon, paid per click and advertising. So this tool is available, so it's pretty cool as well. Of course, for all these tools, I have tutorials in the tutorials playlist in the description for you, so enjoy it. And the last part is manage products, inventory manager, and product settings and costs. This tool will help you not go out of stock and not overstock with your products, because it helps you with your inventory management. You add some data about your product. Let's say it takes 30 days to create your hats and 30 days to ship them. So when you're selling a few units per day, Jungle Scout will combine all that data and will tell you how many days of stock you have left. So in this way, you don't go out of stock, don't overstock. In the description, again, you have the best discounts for Jungle Scout Scout and tutorials that will help you use all those tools. Also, let's talk about the extension. Okay, the extension is a really nice tool by Jungle Scout that helps you understand how a specific market is performing. You can do product research, product validation with the extension. It's available for you down in the description. Of course, in my tutorials playlist, you're also going to find a tutorial of how to use the extension, about 45 minutes in depth. And good news, because for Amazon Mexico, this extension works. So get it in the description and use it in Mexico. And here on the screen, actually, you're going to find the playlist of tutorials appearing now, and you can click on it to watch more Jungle Scout tutorials. And of course, you have the discounts here as well and in the description. So for Mexico, Jungle Scout works, and hopefully more tools are going to come with time. So have a great day.